Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged vector LCD. As you can see from here, we have a damage of the pixels. Okay, so we're going to change also the LCD, the negative display, with a positive display here. So first thing we have to do is, of course, we have to remove the strap so you could have access of the 4 screws of the watch. So we have to unscrew these 4 screws for you to remove the upper casing of the Suunto vector. So just carefully lift the the upper case, set it aside, remove the gasket carefully, set them aside, and we have to remove this plastic thing. But before you do that, you have to un, try to unlock this copper portion of the watch. This serves as the lock, so you have 4 locks that you have to loosen up so you could pull out this green part. Okay, so you don't have to force, otherwise it might damage this area of your watch. So you have to make sure you loosen up by pulling out this part outside. By the way, wag nyo munang iangat yung itong plastic na to as long as hindi nyo pa na fully loosen up yung yung itong copper, itong lock na yan. Okay? So only lift this plastic thing pag itong lahat na to hindi na siya naka-attach sa casing sa green part na yan. Okay? So once na loosen up nyo na, so carefully set aside. Wala kang hahawakan dyan, okay? So, ito lang yung kailangan nating i-change. Okay. Para hindi masyadong maging komplikado na. Ito lang yung kailangan nating i-change. So, this thing we have to replace using your light sheet, yung Cipra bars, pati yung itong LCD of course. So, remove lang natin yung plastic na to carefully. Oops. Okay. Ito yung mga luma. Set them aside. You might don't need to keep them kasi sira naman yan, di ba? So, papalitan natin yan ng bago. Okay. So, yung bago, first thing, itong LCD. Okay. Yan yung LCD natin. Okay mo lang yan dyan. And then next one, yung light sheet. Itong black portion na yan, sa labas. Okay? And then, pasok natin tong plastic na to. Ito lang yung kailangan mong i-reuse dun sa luma. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo yung portion na yan, yung conductor na yan, yung edge. So, dapat nasa left side yan. Tapos, dito naman sa plastic na to, hanapin mo lang yung parang hulmahan niya. Okay. So, pag andyan na yung plastic, then that would be easier for us to put in the Cipra bars. So, pasok mo lang tong mga conductor din to eh. Itong mga Cipra bars. So it's actually very easy kasi yung mismong plastic na to, yun na yung parang magiging guide nyo kung saan nyo ipapasok yung mga zipper bars. Okay, make sure din na itong part na yan, nakaangat siya ng konti. So yan, okay na. So ando na yung LCD, yung light sheet, yung plastic, yung dalawang malaking zipper bars, tapos yung maliit na dito sa corner. So, ganun ka easy. So we just need to put them on kung saan siya originally nanggaling. Sa pagbalik niya, careful naman tayo ulit, okay? So, carefully place it kung ano yung position niya dati. Ngayon, balik lang natin siya, pasok lang natin siya dahan-dahan, and this time, yung lock na to, yung nilusen up natin nung pag-pull out natin, yun yung magiging lock ulit. So, make sure lang natin na nakalock na lang din siya when we put it back, okay? Kung medyo maluwag na ng konti, like for example, kung hindi na siya mag-lock, itulak nyo na lang ng konti. Okay? Pero hindi naman ganun. At least lang meron siyang lock. Kasi ito pag maluwag to, yung mga conductor niya hindi masyadong tatama dun sa ibang connector niya. So make sure na nakalock lahat tong apat na to. So, as you can see from here, okay na, gumagana na. Tinanggal ko yung cover muna and I put the battery. Okay, and mga factors kung sakaling pumalya, like we already changed the LCD, pero sir, bakit ganun? Yung pixel niya is may mga issue pa din. So, first factor you have to consider, baka yung zipper bars mali yung alignment. Okay? Baka baliktad yung pagkalagay nyo sa LCD pati dun sa light sheet. Okay? Second one, yung pagka-lock nung four corners na sinasabi ko kanina. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 na lock. So, make sure naka-lock yan. Makikita mo naman yung mismong part na yan is masasabi mo naka-lock is i-zoom ko ng konti. Yan. Dapat itong area na to, okay, yan. Dapat yung four corners na yan nakalock. Makikita mo naman kasi pag iaangat mo, hindi na siya maiaangat ng madali. Okay? At saka minsan may sound na tick na na maririnig mo pag nailapat mo na diyan siya, pag na-push mo na. Okay? Kasi kailangan niyang maidiin doon. Yung purpose ng lock is obviously para ma-lock tong casing na to, but at the same time it also pushes this plastic pati yung mga parts na conductor para tumama dun sa sa under na para dun sa board. So zipper bars dapat naka-align ng maayos. Yung light sheet dapat na naikabit mo ng maayos, and then also yung apat na lock. Then that's it. Then just use this blower para malinis mo yung and also balik mo yung gasket, and then finally yung casing natin. Okay? Okay, that's it. Kung ano yung mga hindi ko na i-mention, consider yon na hindi siya part ng procedure. So like for example, yung board, wala ka nang gagawin doon. Okay, wala ka nang hahawakin doon, baka magka-grounded pa yung unit mo, especially kung wala kang suot na gloves. And then balik natin yung casing, use a blower, huwag mong hipan, baka mabasa. And then screw mo ulit using the screw na ginamit natin for your vector. Okay, this procedure is also applicable sa Suunto Vector HR, kahit sa Regatta, sa Ultimax, sa Yachtsman, and I think also it's also compatible with mention ko na yung Regatta. Yung difference lang is yung markings niya kasi dito meron kang time, alti, baro, compass. So, kung for example, kung regata yung paggagamitan mo, which is dapat doon nakalagay is time, sail, baro, and compass, I think. So, hindi na ganun yung markings niya. However, kung yung problema mo lang naman is yung markings, yung display, yung LCD, at least nasolve na natin yun using the new LCD spare parts na replacement. Alright? Okay, thank you and hope this video helps sa mga customer natin and fans ng Suunto who use Vector na at least ma-revive natin yung unit nila. Alright, ingat!